name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about bump up the value. The challenge is to assign a new value to gem counter for each additional gem collected. So, you could read the description, but there's something important. You create a variable to change its value. So you will have to change its value to this thing. Var gem counter will have to equal to 0, as always, from the first code lesson. Then after that, we're gonna do a little more advanced. We're gonna do 4i in 1 of 5. Then the code is going to be move forward. Then you collect the gem. Then after that, you do gem counter equal gem counter plus 1. Because if you just want to do a while or 4i, you could just do that, or you could do it the other way, or you could just repeat it. If it's the gems are changing, you have to do it in 4i, in 5, or do it in while. So I'm gonna run my code. Goes forward, gem counter now equal to plus 1 gem. Goes second gem, then third, then the fourth, then the fifth. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!